Chris, how about at Commscope? What are the priorities at Commscope that you guys see over the course of the next year or two?
Um, you know, 5G comes to play. Although our current systems for in-building wireless communications do support 5G, we see the proliferation of small cells as the spectrum moves up. Um, the cells size is going to get smaller. The interoperability between those cells is going to range, into the millions of cell sites, right? Very, very different scenario right now than macro cells. So with that communication, we're focused on 5G, small cell, and really looking at Open RAN, open radial access networks, which is standardizing the communications in those networks. So I look at it as, some of us were back around in the 80s, where IP networks were a lot more proprietary, and now to where they're open, interoperable. So you're going to see that same transition with the Open RAN of interoperability on that front, which is going to be necessary because the number of carriers and private LTE networks that are going to take place as you move into that 5G area is going to be necessary. So focusing on that area, and then CBRS also. So that offers a whole new spectrum in the public area that allows private networks with LTE quality to exist. So that's an area where we've kind of been first to market with some products there, and we're seeing now, in particular, like on the Air Force side, had a dominant section on requesting information on deployment with CBRS and that public band spectrum. It's free bandwidth, it's free spectrum, free bandwidth. So I expect a lot of the agencies are going to take advantage of that.